dandruff, scalp irritation, and hair loss. What's the best solution to our hair problems? Choose the option that's most safe, effective, and convenient. Introducing Buddie. Buddie is a portable scalp care device that brings clinical treatment to you. In 3 easy steps, you attach the unit to the bridge and patch, then use it 7 minutes a day, 2 times a week to see results. Buddie uses microcurrents to effectively absorb the gel patch nutrients in your skin. These nutrients then enter the bloodstream and flow up to your head. This effective method ensures nutrients are spread throughout the scalp to improve your hydration and redness, which ultimately leads to healthier hair growth. The gel patch is made of hydrogel to maximize absorption. The patch contains a serum that's carefully formulated with natural and proven ingredients known to treat the scalp and hair. Buddie has optimized its innovative technology to provide the best solution for hair care. Countless revisions were made during the process to produce the balance of greatest return for minimal effort. Thanks to Buddie's ergonomic design, it's made to stay secured on your skin. You can even carry it with you in its compact rechargeable case and have it fit to your busy lifestyle. Weighing in at just 13 grams, it allows you to safely treat the scalp while going about the rest of your day. After all, results are born from a persistent routine. Luckily, Buddie keeps things simple, so you're sure to achieve those results. Let your Buddie help you reach a new level of confidence in your hair. The proper solution to hair and scalp care. Buddie.